Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the simplest and safest way to care for your luxury leather shoes at home so you can take your shoes from this to this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, my name is Evan and it's my goal to share with you the skills and tools needed to love your leather. And today we'll be cleaning these all black luxury dress shoes. As we take a closer look at the leather, we can see all kinds of micro cracking and creasing, and that's probably because these shoes were never conditioned nor stored properly. Obviously they're dusty, and if you could feel the leather, it's not supple at all whatsoever, so it's definitely going to need some deep hydration. As we look at the outsole here, it's apparent that the owner had a habit of dragging their feet, which over time wore down the heels. This is completely preventable by simply creating better walking habits and picking up your feet as you walk. So all that to say, we'll give these shoes a clean and condition, a nice shine, and at the end I'll show you guys the best way to store your shoes. Let's get to it. In today's video, I took the opportunity to team up with ShoeMGK to bring you guys the simplest and easiest ways to clean your leather shoes. ShoeMGK Cleaner and Conditioner is an all-purpose solution that cleans all types, styles, and brands of shoes. And in all honesty, I'm so confident in it that I'll be using it on our luxury leather shoes today. So let's get to it. When it comes to the laces, it's really important to keep those guys clean as well. Even though they're black, they still can attract a lot of dirt and bring down the aesthetic of your shoes. So simply agitate them into some ShoeMGK cleaner and water, and after that, run them through your microfiber cloth and you're good to go. Alright guys, this next step is just an example for if you needed to re-dye your leather. You can take a pigmented cream like this one and apply it directly onto the leather. I go into more detail in my other videos, so feel free to check those out as well. Additionally, if you have another color leather, let's say something more uncommon like a green or a red leather, it's easiest just to get a neutral cream. This way you can get a nice shine without worrying about ruining the color. Lastly, I've chosen this delicate cream because I want to provide a deeply penetrating hydration to this luxury leather since it was so dry. This cream isn't going to leave a sticky residue, but instead it'll provide a buttery and supple feel afterwards. Hydrating or conditioning your leather is one of the most important things that you can do to keep your leather in tip-top shape, so I'd highly suggest regularly doing so depending on how often you use your leather, especially for your luxury leathers. Alright guys, this is the final step for this luxury shoe, and it's probably one of the most important, and that is to fill out the leather. Today I'm using a cedar shoe tree because they absorb moisture from your leather after wearing them in order to prevent odors, as well as do a great job filling out the leather. But you can use plastic bags and newspapers just as well. The goal to keep in mind here is that you want to fill out the leather just enough to prevent any creasing or cracking from happening, but not too much to stretch out the leather. Once you've done that, you're good to go. Alright guys, that is a wrap for these luxury leather dress shoes, and they are ready to wear. We gave it a clean and condition with some ShoeMGK, deeply hydrated the leather with some delicate gel cream, and finally filled out the leather with some very important shoe trees. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and learned how to be better stewards of what you own. Thanks again to ShoeMGK for sponsoring. Feel free to like and subscribe to see more videos like these, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember to love your leather.